Welcome to our tutorial on how to effortlessly share post links from Snapchat to Facebook using your Android device. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide. To begin, open your Facebook app on your Android device. Once inside, tap on the What's in Your Mind section to initiate a new post. Next, navigate to the specific post you wish to share from Snapchat and tap on the Share option located at the bottom right corner. Now, within the Share menu, swipe left and tap on More to reveal additional sharing options. Look for the Snapchat icon and tap on it to proceed. You will then be prompted to select the recipients you want to send the post link to. Once you've made your selections, tap on the send arrow icon to complete the sharing process. By following these simple steps, you can seamlessly connect your Snapchat content with your Facebook audience, allowing for increased engagement and interaction across both platforms. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to send post links from Snapchat to Facebook on your Android device. Enhance your social media presence and reach a wider audience by utilizing this effective sharing method.